Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you some amazing DeWALT deals going on right now at ToolNut. Now, it is available right now. They list it as their deal of the day, but these actually go through March 19th. So you have a couple of days to take advantage. I'll have the links down below. There's a few items I want to point out specifically for you, and then I'll also just link the entire sale. There's 31 total DeWALT items included, and if we take a look at my website, I already created a few posts for individual tools that I thought were a pretty good deal for you. So the first one is the Atomic 20 volt 4.5 inch circular saw kit. Now, you gotta wait. The graphic's wrong. Now, I just pull it directly from their website. It's their website graphic that is wrong, but it's only wrong on the product page. When you're looking at the search results, it actually has the right one. So anyways, it is a kit. It is this saw, but you're getting a power stack battery. You do not get a 5 amp hour battery. It's the 1.7 amp hour power stack battery, and you know that's exactly what you're getting because this model number, the E code, is the 1.7. I believe that would be a P if it was the regular 5 amp hour battery there. So you get the power stack battery. It's on sale for $164.97. And I didn't add it to my cart to see if you get free shipping. Their website doesn't specifically give a dollar amount. It just says free shipping on most orders. So I believe this came with free shipping. Now, if we look at some of the comparables, Farm and Fleet has it for $269, Acme Tools $269, and Home Depot's $269, but they give you a free 4 amp hour battery. But still, it's $100 cheaper at ToolNut for this sale. So if you want that kit, it's a really good deal getting that power stack battery, the charger, and the mini circular saw, little 4.5 inch circular saw. Now, this other one was the 2-pack DeWALT 20 volt brushless drill and impact driver kit, and here it is C2. So those are the small batteries. I believe that's the 1.5 amp hour batteries, which means that's going to be paired with a pretty slow charger, but you are getting brushless tools, so that is a step up. And 2 tools, 2 batteries, the charger and the bag, $149.97. It's a good deal to get all that. And if we look at some of the comparables, Max Tool is $229, Acme Tools is $239, and Tool Up is $243.89. So again, $100 cheaper than some of the competitors on that kit there. And then also the DeWALT 12 volt / 20 volt cordless hood light. I bought this about a year ago. It is awesome. I really like it. It is perfect for putting up underneath the hood, but also laying under a vehicle and then just letting it shine up. It works really great for that as well. These hooks here swivel, and they're also spring-loaded, and they're like cushiony so they don't damage your hood or whatever. And then you can turn on both bars, or you can just turn on one bar, I guess, to save power, or I don't know why you wouldn't want more light. And then this thing folds up when you're not using it. So overall, just a really nice light. But it's on sale for $119.97. I know I paid more than that. And if we look at the comparables, Home Depot has it for $161 and Acme Tools $169. So about $50 cheaper for the underhood light. So then if we look at the sale as a whole, 31 different items. Now, the only bad thing was I saw some things, and there's a lot of actually really good prices in here. The pricing didn't come up exactly right. Like this Power Stack 2, the 2-pack of the Power Stacks here, this is $199 just about everywhere, unless the promotion ended within the last few days and I didn't notice it. It's $199, but with a free tool everywhere. So if you didn't care about the tool, you're saving $75, but still, it's probably not one I would take advantage of. What I wanted to point out, though, this one right here. See, I wanted to post this. I thought this was a really good deal. Also, $164.97. It's the Power Stack kit with the one-handed reciprocating saw. It's brushless. Part of the Atomic series. They all are. But when you actually open it, unless they fixed it, yeah, it doesn't come up the discounted price. That was the only one of the things that I checked that didn't come up correctly. But if they update that between now and then, I think that's a pretty good deal. The impact wrench, 3/8 drive for $160. They're all the Power Stack kits at $164.97. That's pretty good. There was one other one specifically I wanted to point out for you. See, we've seen this deal, or similar, we've seen this saw with sale price recently. I just bought it about a month ago, and I paid $299 for it, and that was a really good deal. This is the full kit, so you're going to get the charger and you get a 4 amp hour battery. That is your M in the model number there. That means a 4 amp hour battery. Again, I paid $2.99 for it. I really like it so far. I've used it for a couple of projects, nothing extreme or whatever, but I just like it's lightweight, it's compact. I have a 12-inch miter saw, but most of the time when I'm cutting things, I don't need a 12-inch miter saw. This 7 1/4 inch is great, and I learned that the 7 1/4 inch worked for most things because last year I bought the Hart from Walmart corded 7 1/4 inch miter saw. It was on super clearance for like $30. I was like, well, I'd be stupid not to buy this. So I picked it up and I realized, man, there's so much I can do with a 7 1/4 inch, and it's light. It's easy to move around because I got to move my shit around a lot because I don't have room for everything. Anyway, so I realized how much I liked that, and then when this one came up, cordless, you had the cordless. I got to be portable, man. I got to move stuff. I got other places to do work at. So things got to move, and it's a little easier if we don't have to worry about the power cord and everything. So anyway, it's even cheaper than what I paid for it, and I thought I got a pretty damn good deal on it. You're going to get the free shipping on it, and I like it. I think it's a pretty good tool. So those are the only ones I specifically wanted to point out, but there's a bunch of good deals in here. And again, good for 2 days. So I'll put the links to the individual posts I had down below and the entire sale if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.